So to find our linearization, we're going to have L of x is equal to f of a plus f prime of a times x minus a. And remember, the a here is what we call the center of the linearization. So we can plug that in to our memorized formula. So we'll have f of pi over 2 plus f prime of pi over 2 times x minus pi over 2. And then it becomes a question of what are these quantities. So if you look at finding f of pi over 2, you would just go up here, you'd plug in pi over 2 into the function. Sine of pi over 2, again, we're up here, let's just draw the visual. Pi over 2 up here on the unit circle, the y coordinate is 1. So f of pi over 2 would be 1. All right, now for my f prime of x is going to be equal to cosine x. And so then I take and plug in the pi over 2. So cosine of pi over 2, if I look on my unit circle, I'm up here on my unit circle, the x coordinate is 0. So f prime is just going to be 0 times x minus pi over 2 is equal to L of x. Okay, now you could leave your answer there, but honestly it looks so weird to have this 0 times. If you have 0 times anything, that is going to completely drop out. So your linearization is really just L of x is equal to 1. Okay, so that is how we would get our linearization using the formula memorized. Again, keep in mind, if you wanted to, you could not memorize the formula, and what you could do is you could think about this problem as a tangent line problem. So if you did that, what you would do is you would start with this f of x function, and you would say, okay, it's going to be y minus my y1 coordinate, and my y1 coordinate I got to be 1, equals, and then I was plug in my derivative, which is 0, times x minus my x coordinate, which is pi over 2. And then keep in mind, to get this tangent line to look like a linearization, we solve for y, so we add 1, and we put that as the first term on the right-hand side. And then we don't keep it as y is equal to, we now refer to this as L of x is equal to 1 plus 0 times x minus pi over 2. And just like what happened when we memorized the formula, this 0 times would drop out, and we would have L of x is equal to 1.